agree, disagree essays, yes? So, let's review it, how we write these types of essays.
First of all, we should understand the task.
Yes, the task.
Then we should choose one side.
Choose one side of the statement, yes?
Yes.
We agree or disagree. Do we include the opposite view?
No.
Opposite view, we add if we partly agree.
We can, but it's recommended to be avoided.
Yes, it's recommended to avoid to write these types of essays. Yes? Okay, now today we will look through how to write both discussion essays. So, discussion essays, question types may be two types of discuss both views and give your own opinion. It may ask your opinion and it may not in some cases. For example, in this, it is not asking your opinion. Yes. So, how we write? As usual, in introduction, what we do? Paraphrase the question. Okay. Then we need to state two supporting reasons for two views. For example, for one view, you should state your reasons, what you will write in body 1. And for the second view, also you need to give your opinions and reasons, what you will write in body 2. It is called thesis statement, you know, yes? And give your opinion. I will show how to write it. Phrases you can use to paraphrase a question. Here are 3 examples. They all say the same thing using different languages. It's some paraphrasing techniques that will help you while writing. For example, some people argue that while others say that. Or it's considered by some while there are others who think. You will add the views. It's often argued that whilst others disagree and think that. It is some paraphrasing techniques for you. So, main body 1. In agree-disagree essays, we just include one opinion, yes? And here we need to write both views in body 1 and in body 2. It will be a mistake if you skip one view. Okay? So, topic sentence. Outline the view you don't agree with. So, in body 1, you write the views that you don't agree. Clear? So, explanation of this view. Explain why this view is held by some people. You need to explain why some people think so. And example, give an example. Main body 2, topic sentence, outline the view you do agree with, and explanation the same structure. So you need to write the views that you agree, give your own opinion. If the question is give your own opinion, you need to write your view in body 2, not in body 1. Clear? So conclusion, summarize the key points and state your opinion. Again, in conclusion, also you need to state your own opinion. So let's see it as in an example. So, for example, question for you. Some people think that zoos are cruel and should be closed down. Others, however, believe that zoos can be useful in protecting wild animals. So your ideas for which view you agree? Who agree with this view?
I think it's useful for some kind of small endangered animals, because the bigger ones maybe eat them. It will be not that good for that kind of animals, and it will protect them.
Zoos can protect them, yes? Endangered animals. Okay. What about others?
Zoos cannot replace the natural habitat of the animals, and for this reason, I think zoos are cruel.
Okay. So, here we have started introduction, paraphrasing the question. While the development of breeding programs contributes to the preservation of endangered species, I believe that soon the poor conditions that make many animals held in captivity are kept in makes the existence of zoos unacceptable. So, for which view the author agrees?
The first opinion that is cruel.
Yes. This one, his view, yes, cruel. So, as you see in the question, it is given the first, yes, this opinion. And the second opinion opinion, its use can be useful. But as the author agrees with the first view, he wrote it in the second part. Because we are writing our opinion in body 2. Yes? So you can change their places. Here, body 1. On the one hand, so this structure you can use this in this essay. Previous lesson you have written, yes? Agree, disagree. On the one hand, on the other hand, it is useful for this one. On the one hand, the first view, and on the other hand, the opposite view. So, on the one hand, there are many projects in existence in zoological parks around the world where species facing extinction have been successfully bred in captivity and their numbers increased substantially. So, Martina, yes, you have mentioned that endangered species, for endangered species, use can be useful, yes? So, it is topic sentence. So, why it's useful, we need to explain it. So, this is important for ensuring the survival of animals under threat from poaching and the destruction of their natural environments. So, is it understandable?
Yes.
What it's saying? In other words, simple. So what you got from
It plays like a key role to make them places like their natural environments. For example, like trees, maybe some kind of, or rivers, seas.
Okay. So, and we should also give example for this explanation. A good example of this is a golden lion tamarin from Brazil, which nearly died out because of the logging and mining activities, which are destroying its habitat. Today, a sort of wild golden lion tamarins were raised in captivity. So for this endangered species, it was helpful, yes, protecting programs. So it is body 1. And in body 2. On the other hand, a significant percentage of zoos house is used as a verb, yes. They are animals in cramped cages with very little space to move around or behave naturally. So, Miyasa mentioned yes about it. It may not be like natural place, habitat, yes, there. So this can lead to them becoming distressed and depressed, as well as suffering physically through lack of exercise. So, example, a friend of mine recently visited a wildlife park while on holiday and abroad and was very upset to see the lions pacing up and down in a narrow bear pen and eagles in enclosures so small that they were unable to fly. So, it's an example from their own experience. And conclusion. In conclusion, although zoos do help to safeguard dwindling populations of particular species, the suffering experienced by many captive creatures due to unsuitable living conditions amounts to cruelty, and they should not be allowed to exist. So here, the authors concluded by repeating his opinions again, yes, that he mentioned in body 1 and in body 2. So, in conclusion, you aren't allowed to add new idea. So now, I will give you a topic. So, let's first discuss it. So, many people feel that students should learn from online materials. It's the first view. And others feel that it's better to use printed materials. So, your opinion, which one is better?
Second one.
Printed materials, okay.
Using
Last we have discussed it like this, yes, about books, yes. But it's in general about all materials that we use in our printed materials are useful, are better. Why?
because it's helpful to remember while touching, and we can
Highlight some things, yes, important parts.
we can avoid eye strain because using online devices
Can harm our
eyes.
eyesight, yes. Okay. If we choose the other view, if we choose yes.
I prefer online study because it's easy to take take with us. Printed materials is sometimes heavy for students, and also in online platforms or online form of studying, it can do multiple choice. For example, we can underline the word and see the translation at one time. While in printed version, we should find in the dictionary, which takes a lot of time consuming.
It takes much time, yes? Okay.
Also, online can be inaccessible because of some places do not provide internet access, so it will be a problem. So that's why printed will be better.
Okay, it's reliable in any place, yes, because in some places we can have internet connection, maybe while we are out of city, maybe, yes. Okay, what about others? What do you think?
I think printed materials are better because they cannot distract. We can to focus on only the topic which we are learning. While online materials can distract us.
Okay, others?
From my perspective, I think it's based on situation. Like in some places we can use our books, our printed materials, but when it comes to word translations, we can use our online materials to search up something or some kind of definition or the meanings of the word, or plus materials from the online platforms. But by using printed materials, like because it's like visually understanding and learning.
Also, online materials is accessible in financial way. We can find any books online for free. While for printed material, we should pay.
Not any book, but some, most of the books, yes, we can find for free. Not all the books.
Nowadays, all books is
All
available.
books, are you sure?
For this moment, yes. Till this moment.
Okay. Okay. So the topic. Can you write down the topic, please? And we will try to paraphrase it and start the introduction together. So many people feel that students should learn from online materials, while others feel that it is better to use printed materials. So if you have remembered it, we can start just by paraphrasing. So which one would you like to choose for paraphrasing? Second one. Second one, okay. It's considered by some. So let's paraphrase this one. That students should learn from online materials. You need to paraphrase it.
By authors?
Yes. Now let's do it together and write down.
Can you please repeat?
Students should learn from online materials. We need to put it here. It's considered by some that
Acquired by online platforms. It's considered by some that education should move to online materials.
move and learn are
Students study.
should learn from online materials.
Students use online sources as the gaining knowledge. Too complicated.
Online education.
Which online. So, получилось у нас, значит, it's considered by some, it's better to acquire knowledge online, while there are others who think printed materials are convenient, more convenient, you can say. So we have started our essay, we have paraphrased it, so your task is to continue it at home by this plan, following this plan. So I will send this presentation to your group. I have sent already. So your home task is to write an essay. Clear? Any questions?
No.
Is everything understandable? Yes. Are you sure?